sir! Shoot! Uy, uy. Oh. Cross pass. Number 27 between the legs. Step back for 3. Bang! Salyador. Drives his spin move. Fades away. Bucket is good. And number 2, Sagun. Sagun. Corner pass. One bounce. Fires off the window. Manny. Number 26. Side step reverse layup. Yes, sir. Shout out kay Idol Taga-Abari. Yeah. Tayo ngayon sa Batang Pinoy Basketball League 2024 para sa laban ng Region 7 Cebu versus Region 6 Aklan. And jump ball between number 6 versus number 1. And goes to Region 7. Launches long 3. Bang! And here's Region 6. And number 10 dribbling the ball. Drives on the mid lane. Pass on the inside. Pull up jumper. No good. Oops! Tinamaan agad sa mukha. Apaka sa 3. No good. Pinaikot yung bola sa 3 ulit. Wala pa rin. Nagkatapikan. Nakuha dito ng Region 6. Gomez is straight to the basket. Easy bucket. And his Team Cebu bounce pass. Naagawan na naman. And a pass break here. And Tuso palpal lang inabot ni Idol. And corner to number 18. Mid-range 3. Naagawan. Number 14, tuloy-tuloy. Lays, bucket for 2. And here's Region 6. No look pass. Number 6 pass. Basket and 1. Number 5. Dribbling the ball. Number 5 pa rin. Corner pass. Pass to the middle. Nakagawan dito. Number 8. Tuloy-tuloy. Fires. Bucket is good. And here number 16, pull up J, bucket is good. And nalibre. Oh, easy bucket. And pass to number 7. Yanes off number 12. Drives. Left face lays, basket and 1. And holds. Pass to the middle. Number 5. Corner pass, pull up jumper off the target. And number 8 here, behind the back dribble. Tuloy-tuloy off the window, Manny. And a pass break here. At pinasa. Easy bucket. For the inbound here, paid away. Kobe off the line. And number 2, Sagun. Sagun, corner pass. One bounce, fires off the window, Manny. And here's number 26. Pass on the inside, pull up jumper. Yes, sir. Setting the play here, number 5, Salyador. Drives his spin move, fades away. Bucket is good. Nauna, picks, clutch. Oh, that move. And here's Region 6 setting the play. And didiscarte dito. Drives, nakalusot lays off the glass. Yes, sir. And a pass break here, no look pass. Fires, bucket for 2. And bounce pass, Kakaldag. Pull up J, bucket is good. And here you go, Region 7, Cebu City. And pass on the inside. Reverse layup, bucket is good. And here's Region 6, number 28. Move mabitin. Oops, saves the ball. Number 2. Ars, wala. And a pass break here. Number 26, side step reverse layup. Yes, sir. Shoot. Uy. Oh, advice pa ni Rep. Oh. And here's Region 6, number 3, corner pass. Pinabitin. Too strong. Oops. And 3-on-3 bounce pass. Lays lumipad. Bucket for 2. And number 20 here for setting the play to number 2. To number 3. Launches on 3. Bang! Nothing but that. And a pass break. Bounce pass to the middle. Pull up jumper. Free throw line. Bucket is good. 26 to number 29. And attacks. Sa 3. Bang! 3 ball. Number 17 here for Cebu. Region 7. Pumoste. Umatras si Idol. And here's Region 6. Tinapikan. Nakuha ni number 4 pass in number 17. Lays. Short. Put back shot of the window. Bucket for 2. For the inbound. Bounce pass inside. Got connection. That's backdoor inbound. Corner bounce pass. Pick and roll. Kisinausaw the sauce. And pass break here. And a pass break here. Number 7 na una. Easy bucket. Oops, natapikan. Number 7 ulit. And easy bucket. Back to back to. And here's Region 6 loses the ball. Naagawan and a pass break. Pinauna si number 13. Sumalida pa. Tinapring. Down to 10. To shot clock. And number 4 spins. Drives. Pass on the inside. Libre. Napakagandang play nun. And that's the end. And the ball possession for Region 7 Cebu. And it's number 26. Hook pass, number 26, top spin, fakes, corner pass, launch 2, 3, bang! And number 20, binit-bit, lays, too strong, tinignan yung ring, target, long pass, binit-bit, lays, easy bucket. Number 6, Castro, bounce pass, gitna, drives, floater, basket is good. And here's dives, binit-bit, kinaliwa, wala. And the pass break here, number 8. Oops, nag-shuffle, bagsak si Idol. Okay lang siya, Android. Hindi sayang. And number 2, corner pass, nagawan yung dalawa. Sa 3, no good. Rebound. Pull up jumper. Bucket is good. And a baseball pass. Please. Bucket is good. Pull up jumper. Pinasa sa loob. Uy! Sapol na sapol. Pang volleyball. And here's number 8. Fires on 3. Off the target. And a pass break here. Pass on the inside. Picks. Pass back, floater, bucket for 2. And behind the back dribble, oop, he stops, fakes, pass to corner, sa 3, supalpal nga lang. And pass to number 14, side step, fires, bucket is good. Number 20, sa corner, cross pass. Number 27, between the legs, step back for 3, bang! And stops, pass to the middle, setting the play. Quick pass, sa 3 ulit. Bam! Back to back 3! Hindi na kumardya. Lays up, yun tuloy, naka-score sila. Napagod. Napagod si Idol. And crossover. And here's cross. And here's number 12. Bounce pass. Slays, sinaus out. And number 20. Number 1 sa 3. Supalpal. The volleyball. And number 17. Pasa sa gitna. For 3. Sa 3 ulit. Bang! 3 points. End of the turn. Pass break here. Nauna na naman si number 4. Oop. Follow up shot by number 6. And number 26 to number 18. Corner pass. Launches on 3. Bang! Bullseye. Pass inside. The connection. Umatake. Supalpal. Pinubuti na lang na save niya. 4-2. And number 5 here. Spins. Corner pass. Fix. Clutch. Naagaw. At dire-diretso. Bounce pass. Fall off the glass. Yes, sir. Castro. Corner pass. Bounce pass. Fade away. No good. One bounce. Floater. Easy bucket. And dire-diretso. Create space of the window. Yes, sir. At number 2 to number 13. Sa tres. Bang! Drip. Sa tres ulit. Hinahabol na naman niya. Ito na. Dunk. Top board. Number 1. Pagalan sa gitna. Corner pass. Fires on 3. Bang! 3 points. Number 28 fires at 3. Stays up. Easy bucket. Pinasa. Pasok yan. Hook shot. Congratulations, Region 7 Cebu. Yeah.
Sa mga taga doon.
Saan ka doon?